my name's Rodney Lewis II. I am a supervisor in response and restoration at Portland General Electric here in the great state of Oregon. We always say we plan our work and then we work our plan. And that's what we need to do during wildfire season. But as part of the wildfire season, we also have Public Safety Power Shutoffs. And the reason we're doing that is because we care about you and our communities. We know how important it is to our customers and our communities to have the lights on. But for safety's sake, and to do the right thing for everybody, sometimes we're gonna have to shut the power off. And we're gonna get back on just as fast as we can, but we have to do it safely. When we go back in service after a public safety power shutoff, we have to walk out every line. So it's very critical that we take the time to make sure everything is in the clear, everything's where it's supposed to be, and we're safe to re-energize that circuit. Here at PGE, it is all about our customers because we live here, we interact every day with the folks that we live around.